kati omanyi nti TikTok nga tenajja waliwo layika.
Let us.
Ne butufuna TikTok.
Yes.
Era TikTok bweva tugenda funa app endala. You people.
We always agree to disagree. But this time around, we need to clarify this issue so that we can give critical information to the people. Listen, Kim, Kamaleyo. No, nze njagala tuweereze eggwanga mu buufu twewayo okusomesa abantu bano okubanga kwabe batege. Kim, dekamale ensonga eno. TikTok wenkugambira nti simanya bana abantu bagifightinga simanya bakola biki. Bala abantu singa beekwata akakuuni ne bagenda ne balopa ekintu kino mu government, do you know how much they earn from those telecommunication companies? TVs, radio stations, and so many other things operating in that way. Singa bagenda ne bagamba nti munnayo mutulirika emisolo bwegiti ne bwegiti naye according to this system and this one up weti ne yajja mu ggwanga munene tetukyafuna mirimu. Kitegeeza government ebe ekola ki? Ebe efiirwa. Anytime from now government erisobola okulangirira ne nti according to this and this there is a TikTok shutdown in Uganda.
For your own information and for your own update.
Yes.
Facebook is banned from Uganda for 2 years now. Do you think people are not using Facebook?
Listen.
I'm asking you. Facebook is being banned for 2 years in UG. Do you think? No, it's totally banned. If you're not using VPN, you cannot access Facebook. And that's the government official statement from the State House. Facebook